Here's double handcuff escape from the feet and from the hands. Okay, here we go. And as always, we're using pens.
Okay, I'm going for the feet first.
We will be trying to make a fence escape soon.
Got one off.
Right now I'm using a webcam, and then we have a video camera, but I don't think I can hook it up, but I'm going to try.
Got feet off.
Having trouble finally. Lost his touch.
One more.
Looks like we have a jam, people.
We do not have a jam. Got it.
Aww. But I really wanted to use this. Really wanted to use this. Oh, alright, that's all the time we have. See ya.